Hello my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, we are in the kitchen and we are here with another YouTube video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I really appreciate you for always coming back. New subscribers, welcome and join the family. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. As you can see, we're in the kitchen and I want to prep some carrot puree with baby spinach and some chicken breast. Yes guys, it's as yummy as it sounds. So come, let me start the preparations. The ingredients we are going to use: the carrots. I'm going to peel off the skin and chop them into small cubes. So I think I'll do it off camera. I'm just going to remove these parts, then peel off the skin, chop them into cubes, and then I'll be with you as I prepare the rest of the ingredients.
Damaris.
Use this red onion and 1 white onion and 3 pellets of garlic. Okay, red and white onion, it's not a must necessarily, but I just want to put it for the flavor and all that. So let me chop this off and grate this off. This what is it called? Garlic grinder. I got it from AliExpress. I used to use the grater and it was not being nice to my nails, so I got this and I can grate as much as I want. Just check it out. This is a good find. Let me show you guys how to use it. Just look. I don't hurt my fingers, I don't hurt my nails. It's fast. Check it out on AliExpress. Even the tiniest garlic, it's crushing it up. Guys, this was a nice purchase. Okay. Into tiny this is the red onion, cause my white onion I chopped it and it's bad, so I can choose it. And I don't want to put too much onions because later I'm going to blend it. So anyway, I think this is enough just for flavor kidogo. Decided to add some chives just for more flavor since I don't have a white onion. Chop this off here. And then now we start cooking our carrots. So we're gonna start some olive oil kidogo. Then we put our garlic onion mixture. So the onions are almost so now the carrots are ready. I'll take off the bay leaf and then I'll blend them. On this other end, I want to start preparing the baby spinach. So, put this in the blender. Then we start with the spinach. So I'll be making some garlic butter spinach. So off, it's off. Okay, I'm gonna put my butter there. And then I turn on. The butter so that they can, as the butter melts, the garlic is cooking. It's cooking with the garlic all together. I hope you get it anyway. Oh God, I'm so hungry. My spinach is already all cleaned. I washed them, so I'm just waiting for this to melt. Then I add my baby spinach. I added the spinach. I think I took a small sufuria. I know they will shrink. That's why also I took the sufuria. I didn't want to cook with a big sufuria and they'll shrink, and then So I'll cover it for some time. I wait for it to shrink, then turn it for like one or 2 minutes, then it will be ready. Blend this. I think it's cooled off. Let's try blending it. So my carrot puree is ready. I'm just going to leave it there. Let me cover the blender. I'll finish the chicken with the baby spinach. Then I think the lunch is going to be ready. Oh, it's so yummy. My spinach is still cooking. I want to start prepping the chicken. I'll just put some little butter. My chicken is always marinated with olive and Royco. Olive oil, Royco and garlic. So it's always, every time I buy chicken, it's always like marinated and put in the freezer. So I only take it out and just air fryer or here. But today I want to make it with a pan.
Sasa hala ni yetu. Anakwambia huko kamba lakini kwamba mtu ni mmoja. Sasa mimi nadhani achilia mtoto mjane serious.
Hivyo ndo mimi nimeambiwa. Anyway, ni sawa. Let's tushukuru tu amefika nyumbani poa, lakini kama